Are you feeling angry? Are you feeling low? Is it really difficult to stop worrying? Are you really feeling very irritable? You're feeling very anxious? Are you having pain in your tummy? Are you having problems with sleep? Are you having breast tenderness? Are you feeling that your body has become very heavy or swollen? Does it happen before your periods? Well, the answer is very clear. You must be knowing that I am talking about the premenstrual syndrome, a very common thing to occur in women and very commonly known as PMS. Hello, I am Dr. Preeti, gynecologist. Welcome to Pretty Women's Talk with Dr. Preeti. Okay, so let's see why PMS occurs. PMS occurs because of two reasons. One is the hormonal changes that happen in the uterus and the ovaries. So when the egg is released 14 days before we have our periods, after that there is a hormonal change. Another thing that happens is in our brains. That is a chemical called as serotonin that is released by our brain, and that is responsible for the happy mood, for a very good mood. And when it is low, that may happen in the part of the period that we are talking about, then we have the emotional symptoms related to PMS. So there are two symptoms. One is physical, another one is emotional, and that is why when they mix together it really becomes difficult to overcome. Well, there is nothing to really worry about because around 40 to 50% of the women have some or the other problem related to the PMS. They may either be physical, they may be just emotional, but in around 5 to 8% of women, it can really hamper their quality of life, and these patients may require a lot of help. So how to know whether you have got PMS? Well, it's very easy. All the symptoms occur around 15 days before you start your periods, and they go off with your periods. If they remain even after your periods, then you may require help of a mental health professional. See if these mood changes or the symptoms that you have are related to any medicine that you take, whether it is related to a particular time of the day. And for that, we always recommend a diary that is to be kept for 2 months, and there you need to write down all the things that happened in a day, all your feelings. Say for example, you had a fight, so you have to write down. If say for example you're feeling very low on specific days, you have to write down. So all the emotional and the physical symptoms, say they correlate when it happens in 2 cycles and it goes off when you have your periods. We can correlate that it is PMS and nothing related to the mental health. Okay, so how to control or treat the premenstrual syndrome symptoms? Bananas. No, I'm not kidding, but actually bananas really help to reduce the symptoms of PMS. Basically, you have to eat the food which is high in calcium and magnesium. The food that is high in calcium and magnesium is, for calcium specifically, all the dairy products, as well as spinach, okra, all the things, the green leafy vegetables basically have good amount of calcium. And we know that the milk products, they also have a very good amount of calcium. All the things that are good in magnesium, like almonds, even almonds are good for calcium, bananas, and all the green leafy vegetables are very high in magnesium. So try and eat calcium and magnesium, a high fiber diet that will be good for your health as well as for your PMS. We know about the other things like reducing the stress related things. For example, meditation can really help us control the emotional problems that we are going through when we go through the PMS. Also, try to walk a little, try to talk a little, because when you talk to your near and dear ones, when you have a stress-free environment around yourself, you can really keep a control on the emotional symptoms that you must be facing. Remember that whatever you are thinking in that period is because of the PMS. It may not be completely false, but try and control your symptoms, because you may feel that things are not exactly that serious when your periods come. So keep a hold. If you think that things are really becoming difficult to control, please see your doctor. It really affects the quality of life. It has been affecting the relations for years together. So do not hesitate to see your doctor if you are really getting affected by PMS. Vitamin B6 is also said to have a very useful effect in PMS symptoms. If things really don't go well, please contact your doctor. Your doctor may give you the hormone which are called as the combined oral contraceptive pills, which have a specific hormone that is called as drospirenone, which can be really useful in PMS symptoms. Things are still not controlled. The doctors may give you something called as SSRIs. SSRIs may be useful as antidepressants also, but they are not here for depression. They are just to help you elevate your mood. And later on, the treatment may increase and you may even be given an injection called as leuprolide. But leuprolide again has got different side effects, because they'll stop your periods, they'll cause all the menopause-like symptoms, and of course we don't want that. I hope this video has helped you. Thank you very much.